Colin Keene,
I'm Curtis Walsh.
and the project that we did is a thermostat, kind of, because the problem that we encountered around campus is that sometimes the rooms get extremely hot or extremely cold, and the temperature isn't really it's not regulated in a lot of places, especially the science building Shields. Top floor, it gets hot a lot. So
So how this works is we've got an LCD screen to give us temperature, humidity, a heat index. We use a small little blue DHT sensor to get the temperature and humidity and calculate the heat index. And we power on a fan, heater, and this LED in the back as a dehumidifier, just to signal that we can power things on with the Arduino and DHT sensor.
So yeah, I'm gonna do a little demo. Take this off.
Slide on there just to make it easier. So I'm gonna heat up this DHT sensor. Once it gets to a certain threshold, this heater should turn off and this cooling fan should turn on. Takes a little while. You slowly see the temp and humidity go up and change. Now it's at 93, it was at 70. So the fan turns on, the other one turns on, the other one turns off. I don't know.
I mean,
We also have this
LED.
this LED in the back that was on. It is now off to signify that the
humidity
dehumidifier
dropped.
is off and humidity is back to normal.